Rangshalo Congress tongthayo kaisa nangkukmani kokthum panda loajikha Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee ni bakhaktei kokthum panda o manjakha Pradesh Congress Committee ni in-charge Christopher Tilok khoboi bodolni nangkuknai adong rokbo Mungo sibi sakshakni bisingo naikoloi tonglai fano ADCO o naikolmungni bialse nangmani shuk rang krini bagai hapangni samung ongya hinai shaka Christopher Tilok Abono kare Tiprasa bosongni bebak hamkraini sungmungo Tiprasarokni rang thong hoda te hukumu mukumuni hamkraini logi borokni hani manthai shoktairokno tuyei wanana kari khlainani kokno shakha Pradesh Congress Committee ni in-charge Christopher Tilok
on the autonomy of ADC. Actually, ADC meaning autonomous district council. But is it really autonomous? What has happened to the autonomy? Here we will have to understand the basic approach of BJP right from 2014. They have been trying to cripple, they have been trying to reduce the powers of the state government or reduce the funds to the state governments which are not in line with BJP. Similarly, they are all now working against the sixth schedule of the constitution and ADC, which is basically meant for the tribal autonomy, is now in a big question. So, Congress party and its allied parties will surely work for the ethnic tribal autonomy. That's the first focus. Second point will be on the culture and language. Almost 20 groups of tribals are there, and we will have to focus on the linguistic tribal groups for their development of the culture and language of these 20 groups. And the kokthum language in Roman script is one of our most important points to focus on. And the third point which we will have to really seriously think about is the forest rights and the land laws. We oppose the Forest Conservation Amendment Act because using that particular act, BJP is trying to encroach the tribal rights towards their own lands. So today, encroachment is happening by the state government without consulting the local tribal leaders. This is something